at that Peterbilt. What kind of truck is your truck?
Peterbilt.
Which one?
386.
Okay. And what's your YouTube channel?
Life with HSD.
Life with HSD. That's your yellow Peterbilt.
Yeah.
389.
386.
386. What year is it?
09.
09. And how many years have you been an owner operator?
5 years.
Wow. What's your name?
David.
And what's your channel again one more time?
Life with HSD.
Life with HSD.
I started with a 95. Oh, you're right.
No, tell me.
No, I didn't realize you had that going.
Yeah.
I started with a 95 Ford and a one-car trailer.
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay, Life with HSD.
Life with HSD. Yeah.
Let's go check out what Life with.
Right, cheers, what is it?
No, come on out.
Okay.
Come on out when you're done.
I will, but he's working with it.
I'm gonna look you. I'm gonna look you up. All right, look what we got. Our Life with HSD himself. Peterbilt, chromed out wheels, pipes, mirrors, fog lights. Life with HSD right over here. We got a Peterbilt 386, and we got all these lights, chromed out pipes, and visor, and horns, and rims, and we got the nice dog Heist. Hey. What's up, Haste? What's up, Haste? Hello. We got a good dog up in there, and he's moving a flatbed, and it's looks like it's carrying equipment. What are you hauling? What are you hauling? It's a what?
A moon lift.
A moon lift, that's right. A moon lift. That's a moon lift, guys. All right, so we got a Heist, the dog, and we got a Life with HSD, a Life with HSD, with his nice Peterbilt 386. Interview with the trucker.